Alright, if you have your file already started, open it. Otherwise, pick the architectural template. Here's some settings you need to do, or do a lot of redoing this stuff, which is never any fun. For starters, I get the right scale. We're not drawing as eighth, we're drawing in the one called a 1/4 inch. Put past it, too far. Get back. 1/4 inch equals a foot. And apply it. So change the scale. That's 1. 2 is the wall thickness and the wall height and how the walls are measured. So under wall, I want to pick my wall to be not a basic generic 8-inch wall. All the brick in the school is a generic 12-inch masonry. Masonry means brick, a 12-inch wall. The walls are not 20 feet tall. The walls are only 9 feet tall. And apply it. And lastly, as you measure the walls from the inside to the inside, so we got to have our walls be measured from the finished interior. Okay, so I need the basic shape of the room. I'm not worrying about measurements because this is just an example for the video. So the entrance to the classroom is somewhere over here. It jogs a little bit, goes past the whiteboard, past the dark room, past Christensen's office, and it jogs to Mr. Shaw's room. And then I'm not going to stop here and draw a small little half wall yet because it's the wrong thickness. I'm going to go all the way across and then finish this, but wait a minute, there's a small little office that jogs, and there's that. Okay, zoom in. Alright, now I got to get this next wall drawn in, but that wall is not that little half wall or partial wall. It's not 12, that is only a 6-inch generic wall. And now watch here. I go over to my corner and kind of hover. It'll grab that wall, and so I can drag my mouse. I didn't click, just hovered and moved. And I can find, oops, get back here, find that measurement. Over here once, this one. There it goes. So I'm going to find that measurement. Oh, it's not working. You'll figure it out. And I'm going to find that spot and build my little wall. Okay, that one's done. So a 12-inch wall and a 6-inch wall. Alright, doors. Those are going to be under architecture, doors. I think by default it gives you that 3-foot door. That's what we want. We'll figure it out as far as the that's fine. Fine. We'll figure it out as far as the swing and the direction of the door. Okay, we're good. Never mind. Door height. I'm just going to take my door and hover over the wall. And see here it's going from like the middle of the wall to the middle of the door. This again is a little bit off, but it'll work. If the mouse is on the top of the wall, the door swings in. Bottom, it swings out. See that? Okay. Maybe it's the wrong swing. It's the other direction. It's okay for right now. So I'll drop this door because this door opens out, but it swings the other direction. I dropped it. Now watch. I can click on this arrow left or right to change my door swing. Or door opens in, door opens out. In this case, my door opens this direction. Okay, so I need my other doors, put all other doors in. This one goes this way, and the door swings that direction. Put all the doors in. This is the office. This is my main entrance. Okay, so the rest of the doors. I'll stop for right now for that. Windows. I got to go over here. On this wall, I'm in windows. Same thing. It's a architecture window. For now, we'll use these standard windows. They're fine. You could get picky and count the brick on the wall. Each brick is 8 inches. So you could count how many bricks wide, how many bricks tall, to figure out how big the window is for real. Each brick is 8 inches. You can do the math. Or it'll work too to have this here be this here. The sill height is 3 feet. That means from the floor up to the window. It's 3 feet. That's good. My height of my window is going to be 7 feet tall. That's great. That'll work. Okay. So again, find that location to the middle of the window, drop it. Next window, drop it. And last window, and drop it. Now the middle window is wider. That we may have to pick a wider window, but we can't. I have to kind of maybe put 2 windows side by side, maybe. That might work too. Okay. So if you go to view, you can see my schoolroom in 3-dimensional view. There it is. Door in, windows, half wall, any more doors. This is good for now. All right, go back to 2D view. So level 1, double click, and we're back. All the items in the room are called components. Architecture, components. This arrow, I don't want to click on the arrow because that kind of goes to some really weird stuff. Oh, there it goes. If I go to the actual icon, I'm going to go to components. Okay. And I have to go over here to the load families. Because here we have a bunch of different families of components. In this case, I want to go to I think furniture has all my furniture items, I believe. So furniture for all my desks, furniture. I'm going to open. I think we're using tables for our desks. And I can use a desk or a dining room table. It's kind of a fancy one, isn't it? Round one, nope. Not a curved one, not an ellipse, an end, a nightstand. Maybe it's what's here might do it, rectangle tables. Because it's not really a desk. This is more of like a fancy desk. We're just going to go rectangular tables. And okay it. Okay, so it's a 72 by 30. That's about our table size. And I have a table, and a table, and a table. There's 5 tables across the room, I believe. And then I have 5 over here. And then we have tables across the back of the room. I'll just put them a little bit away from the door. And then I got some down this wall here, but I got to turn those tables. Watch here. I'll set one table there. I'll get out of that. I'll jump back into my components. Escape. Look at this table. Let's select it. I picked it. I can rotate the table by finding my little pointer. I'll click, turn, 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 90 degrees. Drop it. Now I want to move this table to where it needs to go. There it is. For this corner here, I know we have that little weird angled corner where the printer sits. If you have the tables kind of sitting like this, might work just as well too. Hold on, there it goes. Move this guy. That'll work. It's wrong, but it works. If you go to view, 3-dimensional, there they all are. Fancy. More to go. Cabinets, so go over here. Okay, back here, level 1, double click. Again, that's more of a architect component. In this case, we're going to load a new family. And we're going to load, it's called casework. Casework is cabinets. And we have a tall cabinet. And I think we're going to go with the tall cabinet single door. It's a wrong look to it, but hey, it works. And I'm going to scoot my screen down a little bit. The cabinets go over here in the corner. We have 2 side by side. 2 side by side. 2 side by side. Alright. Get out of that. Now let's look at it once. It could be the wrong direction. View 3-dimensional. In my orbit cube. And yes, see my cabinets are facing the wrong direction. They're facing the wall, aren't they? Zoom in. Cabinets are backwards. So if I click on the cabinet, I can rotate it. I'm going to go click, spin that guy 180 degrees. Oops, where's 180? There. Unclick it. See how it spun around? Nice. Pick the cabinet. Pick rotate. I'm just going to grab it and go 180. And then unpick it. There we go. I can, of course, zoom out a little bit. We're getting close. Let's add some more doors, and we're getting close. But that's the starting for the program for the classroom drawing. Be patient, and good luck.